Hello friends, my topic is dice algorithm. Let's go. Subcategories. First, introduction and the purpose. Next, basics of the algorithm, pros and cons, real life example, code review, experiment. Okay, next. Uh, firstly, firstly, let's find out what this algorithm is and where it came from. Dice algorithm is an algorithm for finding the shortest path between nodes in a graph, which may represent, for example, road networks. It was conceived by computer scientist Arthur W. Dicey in 1956 and published 3 years later. And example, the next. Basics of Dicey algorithm. Basics of Dicey algorithm. I have 4 basics algorithm. First, this algorithm basically starts at the node that you choose, the source node, and it analyzes the graph to find the shortest path between that node and all the other nodes in the graph. And second, third, and fourth basics. Next, pros and cons of this algorithm. Pros. Once it has been carried out, you can find the least weight path to all permanently labeled nodes. Cons. The major disadvantage of the algorithm is the fact that it does a blind search, thereby consuming a lot of time, waste of necessary resources, and others. The next real-life example. As you can see, we are in the initial stage of the algorithm for finding the shortest path where S is initialized with 0 value and all the other nodes with infinity. The node has two adjacent nodes T, Y, and the shortest path from S to T. S to T is weight equal to 10, and from S to Y weight equal to 5. And now when the node S is fully explored, and we can add the node S to set C. So we have to iterate and select shortest path node U from the QQ and check each of its adjacent nodes and update their values iteratively until QQ is empty as shown in DEF. Next, uh, coding review. Coding review. I have functions and loops and my output. Firstly, select the peak with the lowest distance from each of the unseen peaks and go to it. Second, update the distance for each adjacent peak of the increasing peak whose current distance is greater than its sum and the weight of the edge between them. And last, repeat steps first and second. That's all. Thank you for attention.